Right-click the first sheet tab and select View Code. In the VBA editor, double-click Userform 1. In the upper right corner, select the Activate procedure. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet and then the input mask. The formatted mask will be displayed.